Hi there, today, we will learn how to work with the mask feature in Adobe Photoshop. This way, we will be able to create a gradient in an image, for whatever purpose. This will allow us to gradually eliminate an image and create spectacular effects with other backgrounds or images. Or even just to let a photo fade into a transparent background. Let's go. First, let's open Photoshop. Now, before we start working on the desired image, I'm going to show you how the gradient works. On a new screen, we will select the Gradient Tool option from here. We should be ready to create a gradient between white and black. Go to the top taskbar and explore this concept. For example, I'm using the radial option, which allows me to create circular and elliptical gradients. I can eliminate and create a linear gradient now. Notice that the transition between white and black is smoother, the longer the line we draw. But that's it. Now let's go to our image. Open the image in Photoshop. In the lower right corner, with the image selected, press the button in that lower toolbar on Layer Mask to add a mask to the image. Note that we now have a mask created and associated with our image. Now, you select the mask. Just the mask. This is important because you want to work on the mask and not the image. You will realize that this is now very simple. Remember the tool we used to create the gradient? That's what you have to do, create a gradient. The rule is this: white shows, black hides. As you can see, in this small representation of the mask, where it is black, it is hidden. Where it is white, the image is visible. Now just add it to your liking, such as overlapping images, above this layer or below to take advantage of this gradient. Or save the image anyway, with a transparent gradient background. Just don't forget to go to File and Export to PNG. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. I hope it helped.